Welcome to channel, Effortless English for Kids. Learn to speak English like a native. If you are new here, consider subscribing. Listen and answer. What are you doing?
I am buying an ice cream.
What are you doing?
I am climbing a mountain.
What are you doing?
I am cooking for dinner.
What are you doing?
I am crying.
What are you doing?
I am dancing.
What are you doing?
I am drinking water.
What are you doing?
I am driving a car.
What are you doing?
I am eating pizza.
What are you doing?
I am flying an airplane.
What are you doing?
I am jumping on the bed.
What are you doing?
I am laying.
What are you doing?
I am listening to music.
What are you doing?
I am playing football.
What are you doing?
I am reading a book.
What are you doing?
I am riding a bicycle.
What are you doing?
I am running.
What are you doing?
I am singing.
What are you doing?
I am sitting on the chair.
What are you doing?
I am sleeping.
What are you doing?
I am smiling.
What are you doing?
I am speaking.
What are you doing?
I am standing.
What are you doing?
I am studying English.
What are you doing?
I am swimming.
What are you doing?
I am thinking.
What are you doing?
I am waiting for a bus.
What are you doing?
I am walking.
What are you doing?
I am watching TV.
What are you doing?
I am working.
What are you doing?
I am writing a letter.
Listen and repeat. I am buying an ice cream.
I am buying an ice cream.
I am climbing a mountain.
I am climbing a mountain.
I am cooking for dinner.
I am cooking for dinner.
I am crying.
I am crying.
I am dancing.
I am dancing.
I am drinking water.
I am drinking water.
I am driving a car.
I am driving a car.
I am eating pizza.
I am eating pizza.
I am flying an airplane.
I am flying an airplane.
I am jumping on the bed.
I am jumping on the bed.
I am laying.
I am laying.
I am listening to music.
I am listening to music.
I am playing football.
I am playing football.
I am reading a book.
I am reading a book.
I am riding a bicycle.
I am riding a bicycle.
I am running.
I am running.
I am singing.
I am singing.
I am sitting on the chair.
I am sitting on the chair.
I am sleeping.
I am sleeping.
I am smiling.
I am smiling.
I am speaking.
I am speaking.
I am standing.
I am standing.
I am studying English.
I am studying English.
I am swimming.
I am swimming.
I am thinking.
I am thinking.
I am waiting for a bus.
I am waiting for a bus.
I am walking.
I am walking.
I am watching TV.
I am watching TV.
I am working.
I am working.
I am writing a letter.
I am writing a letter.
Question of the day. What are you doing? Let me know in the comments below. Let your kid watch this video every day for at least 2 weeks. Thank you for watching. If you want to watch more videos, consider subscribing.
See you again. Bye bye.